This water looks really clear. These are the over the water cabanas on the Starfish-side. You gonna test it out, babe?
Oh, it's cold.
Is it cold?
Should I do my water temperature?
I'm not coming in. You gonna check the temperature already?
May as well.
Okay, you go check it. We'll let you do it. All right, Joe's gonna check the temperature. He's taking one for the team here. We have our Apple Watches, so we can just put our arm in the water. He says it's cold to his feet, so we're gonna see what it is.
And water mode is on.
Okay, here he goes.
I do love the rubber bottom of this pool.
Yeah, I do too. And I'm actually shocked, like there's no sand in here today. So it definitely must be filtered out well, because there's a lot of sand around it.
It said 86.
Oh, that's not bad.
Which is warmer than I would have thought. Can you put your feet in for a second and tell me what you think? Well, you don't want to get your shoes wet, but
Oh, I can do that though. Yeah.
I'm in shock that it says 86. I gotta be honest.
All right, so because it's 86, oh, I gotta put this in water mode, don't I? Yours is reading a little higher than mine yesterday. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it too. Joe says it's 86. He didn't believe it with his feet, but we're gonna find out. If it's 86, I can deal with it. It feels colder than 86 to me.
Okay.
A lot colder.
So we agree.
Yeah. Yeah, because we set our pool at home to like 85, and it's a lot warmer than this. Okay, mine is jumping between 80 and 81. So I think mine's closer. Because I get in the pool a lot at home, and it is does not feel like 86.
Okay, I'm gonna go check mine again.
Yeah,
And we're doing this because we've heard that it's cold.
it's chilly. It's not cold, but it's chilly. All right, what are you getting, babe?
Ooh, I got 80.
80, yeah.
I would say that's much more accurate.
Yeah.
So I held it in there for a little while.
Yeah, so maybe
got
it
80.
took a second to get it from your skin. I'll tell you one more time, but I think 80 is probably right. It's pretty refreshing though once you like go back in.
Yeah, once you get used to it.
Yeah.
This is very scientific.
I'm getting 79.
Yeah, I think
And
79, 80 is probably more realistic.
Yep. 78. It's bounced between 78 and 79. So I would definitely say probably that 78 to 80 degree mark. For the beginning of the day, it is like 9 o'clock in the morning, so it'll probably heat up a little. All right, so it's time for you to get some temperatures, Ben.
Yep.
So it is time for a little science over here in the Calypso Lagoon. We're gonna go in and figure out what the temperature is here. So you can pick your spot, babe. Pick your spot.
Looking for a nice,
guess right here.
easy walk in here.
All right, we're going in here.
I think we have to go up here to get to the zero entry.
So it's time to go into this lagoon in the name of science. Joe's gonna head into the lagoon and figure out what the temperature is before we head to Pearl Cove. And then the real test is gonna be the temperature of Pearl Cove, because I'm expecting it to be 85, 90. We'll see if my guess is correct. I would say it's probably high 80s. Hello. Good, how are you doing? All right, here he goes.
Okay.
Unless you get a high temperature, I need to validate. We'll just let you go on this one.
Interesting.
We're right outside of Mingo's. It's definitely picking up already.
Okay.
Here he goes.
It's chilly.
I feel good though after we've been out walking around for a while.
After an hour of walking around, it feels pretty decent. Okay, here we go.
Are you getting a reading, babe?
Try to tell me how long my swim was, which was 0 because like 2 minutes. We'll let it reset and try again.
Okay. While he's doing that, you can see the over the water cabana, the large one right there. So
Take it out of water mode.
Okay. So this one, of course, is on the Calypso side. It's another one of those large cabanas. You can see the large one here that faces straight into the water. At the end of the peninsula, you got the slide. There's a hammock on the other side. Your chairs, coolers, more seating in the back, fully covered. Looks like they have shelving back there, couches, refrigerators, all the good stuff.
I need a new Apple Watch.
Uh-oh. I don't think you need a new watch. We just got new watches, babe.
Here we go. Take 3.
You want me to do it?
This is where technology really bothers me. Okay, we're rebooting my watch now.
Okay. I'll give you a sandcastle.
Water feels good.
Does it?
My
We
legs
got a
feel
good view of
good.
the sun castle here while we're waiting.
I'm sorry,
You
what?
see the people. I said we got a good view of the sun castle here. You can see the people waiting at the top for the slides.
Oh, yeah.
See the swings. All right, here he goes again.
Definitely not working.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
There it is. 78 degrees. All right, 78 degrees. I had to take the watch off. Apparently, it didn't like being next to my skin. 78 degrees, about the same as the other one. And I couldn't go in any deeper because I've got my pockets full of other things.
Yeah.
So,
Maybe because you're sweaty or something. I don't know. Who knows?
who knows? It was like it was going in and out of water mode. I rebooted it. I don't handle when technology doesn't work like it's supposed to. It's supposed to just like click, click. But I did get used to the water while I was in it, so that's the positive.
So
It's not as hot, it's not as cold as I would have thought.
yeah, it's 78, 79 degrees kind of thing. So it is cooler.
And it's
But that's
pretty
because at night it goes down to 70 here, and it is November 9th.
Eight?
Night.
Good
night. All right, Biff, we are done with the science experiment. We're going to head over to the food trucks. We're going to walk through Mingo's here, just get a little glance at what's going on at the small bar today, and then head straight to the...
Food trucks and
Food
then
truck.
Pearl Cove Beach Club.
All right, Joe's in a rush to get to Pearl Cove. We do want to get to Pearl Cove. Enjoy the day there. Yeah, it looks like this one opened up a few minutes early. That's the Flippin' Fritters. He's waiting for me. Sure.
You know what I haven't seen yet?
What? Any overheating?
Nope.
What?
Something else that people were worried about here that I have not seen.
Bees?
I've not seen a bee.
Haven't seen a bee. We'll see when we're at the bar at Pearl Cove, because that's where we saw them last time. You could see our video. We actually took video of bees.
We saw them at this bar too.
Oh yeah, we did. You want to see if they're here?
Let's see if they're here.
Let's see.
I keep delaying our.
I just say, I
Pearl
just
Cove.
said you were in a hurry to get there, and now we're like taking a picture.
No bees.
I don't see any.
Oh, there's one. I see one.
Hi.
Hello.
We're just seeing if there were any bees.
Just one.
Last time we were here, there were lots. So a lot better now?
Yeah. They just started showing back out.
Okay, so, and now you're just seeing a couple? Ah, nice.
All right. Yeah, it was. They weren't aggressive when we got here in July, but they were there. They were
Yeah.
very present.
Yeah, we're going over here to Pearl Cove Beach Club. This is what we've been looking forward to getting back to here today. So, we're here.
Water is very warm. Very beautiful.
Nice. So we're going to see what the temperature really is. But definitely warmer than the lagoons. You can walk straight in. I mean, it's not like so warm, it's not refreshing, but it is definitely warmer. Alright, here we go.
90 degrees, 91.
Okay, I was close. I said high 80s to 90 when you were trying to, get the temperature. It was taking a long time. I was making my prediction. My prediction was going to be high 80s to 90. So we now have confirmation that this pool is definitely warmer. It's still calmer than the lagoon for sure, but a little more lively than it was the first week when it first opened. I just want to note, your watch worked the first time for some reason in this warmer water.
Well, I think it has to do with my watch was locked up or something. 89 degrees right now is what he says. At 1 foot. Yeah.
I know that's right.
Yeah, that was pretty much right on, so that's good. I figured it'd be just because our home pool. That's like it's ideal if you're not looking to get super refreshed.
Check the beach situation, baby.
Oh yes, beach situation. Last time, if you want to check our video, it's not the best because of trying to pick up audio over here with no mics, and now it's even louder. I have mics here in the water. Let's see if we got any bees though, because I've had a bee or two by me already. Oops, I'm sorry. Up, I see bees. Couple. Not like before though.
That's what we had before.
Yeah. Oh, there's more over there. You're still here.
I'll do Jack Daniels tall with diet and a lime. Diet Coke. You have lime? Okay. A lot of bees over here at the bar, man. A lot of bees. What?
I'm good. Definitely still bees, but I don't know if we're capturing as many.
Yeah, I will. Sure. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
They don't look great, so I don't know.
Yeah, they don't seem like they care.
I see a ton right here. Lots of them.
What?
Lots of them.
They're not bothering me though. To be clear, they didn't bother me.
They're not bothering us, but there are a lot around the sources of sugar. Yeah, you got your drink. We're on our way.
I am heading into the water.
Get that backpack on.
I'm gonna try not to fall over.
Yeah, don't fall over. It's pretty powerful right now.
Okay, still sandy here. And I would say this is warmer than that Calypso pool.
Really?
I would say so.
Yeah, I think it's somebody says closer to 80. He's checking out the temperature for you guys. Again, remember it is in November. Well, not the coldest part of the year. That's probably like February, but this is November.
I'm gonna put it back in water mode. I have an iPhone that's getting very wet in my pocket from the waves. Oh, I lost it. It was there. 82 degrees. 82 degrees.
What is it?
82.
82. So it's a good 3 to 4 degrees warmer, maybe?
So 82 degrees. The ocean is warmer than the lagoons over there. And I will say this far in, it's sandy right here.